Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. Yeah, we are moving along here in this sort of sideways range as well. There is not much to add, unfortunately. It is a bit of a boring range at the moment across the market, but so far slowly the pattern here works out. We did break now below this Elliott wave triangle because we broke the D wave low. Was the support I highlighted yesterday, and I said if this triangle really is supposed to break, this is the level, the first signal level to take out. That happened as per the Elliott wave count here, with this E wave top being the 40-cent level. That was the expected outcome. So far, however, the price isn't really breaking down impulsively. That is what normally happens when a triangle breaks. So we need to be on the lookout that this triangle could easily extend. Yeah, triangles can extend, especially as long as the B wave low of the triangle, which is here at 37.5 cents, isn't broken. Because just an example, what could happen is that this C wave actually sits here, the D wave sits here, the E wave will be here, and we have a bit more of a sideways mess going on, right? That's what you never really know. That you never really know that. If this is the case, then the D wave will not break below the 37.5, 37.6 cent level. For now, I keep it as it was, but we always need to keep an open mind until B is broken, that a triangle can always extend. But so far, I have no reason to change my wave count. I had a question here. Is this still a valid count? Because the E wave top ended where the C wave top ended. Yes, that's valid. Elliott wave rules state that the E wave must not go beyond C, but they both ended at 40 cents, pretty exactly here on Binance. There might be the odd exchange where the E wave might have been a bit higher, but Binance tells me they're both 40 cents. It's still valid. And from that point of view, we can go with that count. To be honest, you could also count it, as not as a triangle, but something different maybe. But for now, this seems to be the most logical count. Did highlight it would look much better with one more leg down. Maybe we're getting this now. And maybe in the C wave, we're coming down below the A wave low. That would be the ideal wave 2 retracement. Yeah, A wave down. This move that started here on the 31st of March came down to the A wave at 37 cents basically, then a B wave triangle, and now the C wave down. Now that could be an ending diagonal, it could become an impulse. To keep it very simple, if you don't want to get too involved with the lower degree wave count, as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, the focus can be on higher. And as I said before, this can even transform into some kind of a larger B wave. And that's possible and valid as long as we haven't broken below the A wave low, and that's at 37 cents. And that's also valid as long as we stay below 42.4 cents. That's the uncertainty we deal with. It's never entirely clear, but for now, it seems to be following our Elliott wave triangle count. That's not bearish, it's just boring. Boring doesn't need to mean bearish. I have also taken out the orange sub-wave count of the chart that became unrealistic. I still have it on the chart here as the higher degree alternative, but it would mean we are now in a third wave rally in orange. I don't really believe that anymore. It was the alternative anyway. The count would need to be wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then this would need to be as well a 1-2 setup. But yeah, the white count seems just more logical to me at this stage. But again, if we break out directly from here, maybe we go back to that count. But for now, I'm assuming we're coming down in a C wave. I would change that view if we break above the E wave high at 40 cents. If we do that, I'm going to consider that this is a high B wave, or we're directly in the breakout, and we need a break above 42.4 cents to indicate that we're directly in the breakout in a third wave. That's what I mean. As long as we're holding here the 35.2 cent level, the overall focus can be on higher. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.